Welcome to this room tour. This is your first look at the rooms here on Utopia of the Seas. This is a balcony cabin. We are on deck cabin 7158. So we're on the 7th floor and it's room 158. So right as you walk in, of course you have to put your key in the slot to turn the lights on. We have a full length mirror over here. When we go this way, we have the controls for the air conditioning and we have the hooks. I love the hooks. The walls are magnetic in these staterooms, but the hooks allow you to not have to bring the magnetic hooks that you would normally bring. Here is the bathroom. This is a standard bathroom on most Royal Caribbean ships. We have the glassed shower with the bar, the shaving bar. We have the dispenser with the Salt and Breeze body wash, bath wash. The handheld, we have lots of shelves over there. We have the toilet. We have the litter receptacle, a shelf down here, a single sink, mirror, lots of towels. Typical Royal Caribbean Oasis class ship bathroom. Right as we exit, we have our first closet. This closet has all the shelves, it has the safe, it has area for long hanging, and then we have 2 drawers down below. As we get to the bed, so this is 2 twins pushed together for a royal king. We are 2 singles in this room, so we're gonna have them pulling apart, but this is the configuration if you have the double bed. There is a light over here, and then there's also the overhead light. You can turn the lights off there, and there are plugs here. There's one USB-C and one plug, the phone, and little shelves down there. We on a previous sailing, so we have some special items here, but this is where you would find items that the stateroom attendant has left for you. We have hooks right here. I don't love these hooks. I think that if you're hanging stuff on here, as you're walking by, you're probably going to hit them. We have a television. As we come to this side, we have another lamp with a plug and a USB-C with little shelves down here. We have a full closet here with lots of hangers. My stuff is already in here. And then we have the hanging half bar here. Here is the rest of the room. We'll start over here. So I don't know if this room accommodates 3 guests, but if it does, this is where this bed is made into a bed. So your stateroom attendant will come on the first night and make it into a bed. I believe there's storage. Oh, it's a trundle. Oh, it's a trundle bed. So someone else could sleep there. Potentially, I think this stateroom could hold 4 guests. This would be one bed, and they would make the other bed up there and then push this one in during the day. We have the vanity area, the lit vanity, lots of plugs. I always tell my clients, bring a European plug. There's 2 European plugs here. If you need lots of plugs, it gives you more options. We have a table here with the remote, and then we have more storage. So here's a nice drawer with the blow dryer, and then we have 4 drawers that go down, and this is the water or the beverage cooler. This is not a full refrigerator. It does not get as cold as a refrigerator. It's more of a beverage cooler. And then of course we have the balcony. A lot of people ask about safety of the balcony. So this is how you open the balcony, and then you also have to release. Oh, can you see it? There's a release up here that's tall. We'll go out to the balcony. The balcony has these nice chairs with the ottomans that come out. I love that. You can put your feet up and relax, and a nice table. Now, if you know, I'm gonna fog up here. If you know the guests next to you, you can have this partition removed to be able to access each other's rooms from the balcony. So this is a new balcony cabin aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas.